Surface irregularity detected. Requires mechanical leveling. Need high-density smooth wood. Found it. On it.
High torque resistance gears. Maintain axial alignment.
Roller will level everything. It's moving. Too sticky. Hop. Need upgrade fast.
High-tension friction knots. Done. Solid structural integrity.
Quack ready. Trust. Moving. Maximum compression force. Zero adhesion.
Help me!
To the left.
More pressure. Mine now. Flying fox. Ouch.
Solid surface.
So shiny. High five. Friendship is success. Scrub, scrub. Oh, it is huge. So heavy. I am flying. Stuck. Mud. Dirty. No mud. Stay there. It is slipping. Perfect spot. Clean. Secure it well. Hard work. Bubbles. I can't see. Am I a ghost? Ice skating in summer. At least we are clean. Look, it is dry.
This haul is massive. It will last all winter.
Heave ho. Almost there. No. Our chestnuts. The mud. It will ruin everything and trap us. Forget the squirrel. We need a block. Now! not sealed. The mud is getting through. Help! 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 Help us seal it, or you get wet. Squawk! Crisis averted, thanks to the squirrel.
Greed almost cost us everything. And you too. Cooperation saved us.
Now you help us clean. Every single one.
A reward for honest work.
Squeak!
Bye-bye now. It's time for a high-tech deep clean. No more itchy feathers from dust. Found a big group of them over here.
Vibration frequency set to gentle. Oh!
Like a vacuum for ghosts.
Why is the dust chasing me? Static attraction. Reversing polarity now. I can breathe again. That was close.
Everything is sparkling. I look sharp. Dust securely contained.
Wait. Achoo. Look at the jar.
Dust can be artistic too.
Note, watch out for static charges.
Hard work pays off.
Sorry, old friend. Science won. Good job today. Look at this beauty, Quack.
It is the biggest one ever. Ready for soup tonight?
On my count. 1, 2. Ready to push. It is heavy. Stand back, Quack. Careful, Hiya! It is loose.
It is moving too fast.
Stop that, pumpkin. Wait for us.
Sorry, turtle.
It's not stopping. It is Oh no!
Our soup will fall.
Quack, use your wind.
Super speed mode. Block the path.
Bam! Wow!
Perfect slices. Quack?
Are you okay? You look like a pumpkin pie.
Sweet and fresh.
My acorns.
Here is a trade.
Stir.
Achoo. Healthier that way.
It looks perfect. Good soup. Good night, Quack. Rotation speed looks good. We have a short circuit.
Communications link is unstable.
The historical recording is breaking. It's going to hit the heating system. Rotation motor neutralized. Full stop achieved. Safe landing. Waterproofed.
Early warning system active. Recording can be restored. Warmth and safety preserved.
No danger of freezing.
Need to check on the real restoration.
Almost home.
Time for diagnostics.
A very close call.
Gentle process required.
All logged. Time to rest. Till tomorrow.
Ready for the next electrical issue.
Neat and tidy.
Safe and sound. The future of peeling is here. Ready for activation.
This is our secret, super concentrated lubricant.
That's 10 times too fast. It's pulling everything. We need to stop the wheel now.
The floodgate.
Cut the flow.
It's locked. The vortex is still pulling. Oh no, it broke. Phew,
Close call.
they'll make great decorations. Time to bake.
Much safer than concentrated juice.
Back to basics.
Success at a safe pace.
The power of moderation.
Where are we? It's so dark.
Phew.
Half for you, half for the bear.
We did it!
Good job.
The Aurora Pyra Pine should be just ahead. It's dark.
The legend was wrong?
It's a coolant leak. The core is flash freezing.
My wings are getting stiff.
We can't stay still.
The forest gifts. They're trapped.
If those break, The energy will explode. We have 3 minutes before the deep freeze pulse. Melting the primary blockage. Fly away, little drone. Sinking the energy. Now. It's beautiful.
Hep meh.
Curiosity killed the duck, Quack. This will keep it warm all winter.
A rare case of core freeze.
Everyone got their gifts.
It's like a wrecking ball! The whole valley can see it! I think we made it too bright. Hop?
High-altitude decoration success!
Beacon check, number 3. It's stuck on the clock tower. Ice falling. We have to protect the panel.
Tactical cover deployed.
Ready for activation. He's right overhead. Activate. Guidance is green.
Ho! Perfect landing light.
What was that flash?
Looks like someone needs a special delivery.
A gift. Industrial strength clean.
Mission complete.
Panel safe. Double locked. Heavy.
But useful. Safe journey, Santa. The storm is passing. We need to address those socks immediately. A gift from Santa is a command. Hopefully the washing machine is warm.
Operation Clean Socks is a go. No more embarrassing sock piles.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Wind blower. Quack. Big leaves, strong branches, long vines.
Material collector.
Quack. Gather vines, hard bark. Quack is ready. Always trust in Hop.
My treasure.
Fast gather. Small branches, rubble.
Such luck they have.
Next up, by Agneson's prize turnip. Victory is mine, Chester.
Clumsy me. The scale is faulty.
Take that, cheating old man. It's mutating.
It's eating the equipment. Now it's electrified.
The prize banner is next.
Must cut the power safely. Sparks gone.
Growth neutralizer engaged.
Stop!
Great job, Quack. Just missed the banner.
You broke the scale. What do we do with it?
Let's turn it into a festival meal.
Hope it doesn't short-circuit the saw.
Thick slices only.
Fizzy!
Electrically enhanced flavor. A new culinary experience.
To Hop and Quack for saving the fair.
Needs a serious upgrade on the power source.
Best rivalry resolution ever.
It really is fizzy.
Next year, we judge the baking contest. A little bit of bubbles won't hurt. Uh-oh, that's a lot of power. No more automatic baths for a while. Help! Help!
It's a soap tsunami.
The power grid is going to short circuit. The blueprints. They're not waterproof.
If it hits the vents, the whole city will be covered.
Popping frequency engaged. Blueprints protected. That was clean.
Science is messy.
Best ride ever. Note to self, anti-slip boots. Not a single drop. Crisis cleaned.
Experiment logged. I'm hungry now. Electricity stable.
At least it's clean. One left. A perfect Christmas Eve.
Poisonous berries. They ate the wrong moss. I need the North Pole healing herb. It grows deep in that forest.
We have to find it quickly. There it is. A giant spider. I'll distract him. Faster, Hop. Here's the North Pole healing herb.
My dear reindeer, you saved them. A magic keepsake for your bravery. Ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Santa Claus! We can use this to keep safe.
Best Christmas story ever. And all thanks to the North Pole healing herb. Did you hear that?
They've bitten through the exterior sensors.
No more uninvited guests tonight.
Canis lupus response spinets tank is successful.
This ice isn't from this century.
It's turning the lab into a giant ice cube.
The sound is bouncing back. It's shaking the lab from the inside.
My Christmas flowers, they can't take the cold. One shot of sedative will do it.
Now for the flowers.
Did I miss the cookies?
I'll go get the butterfly net.
Prehistoric predator neutralized.
The perfect start to Christmas morning.
Broccoli? That's not on the menu.
The flavor logic is completely compromised. Help! I'm losing the controls. If that nozzle fires, the mug will shatter.
Just 1 millimeter.
Got it. Now for the pressure.
Clearing the landing zone.
Resetting flow. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Mission accomplished.
That feels kind of nice, actually.
No more gingerbread accidents.
Merry Christmas, Hop. Where did this come from?
I can't see a thing. My baby coquille.
We need sound to know where the edge is.
Follow the rhythm.
Fuel is ready. I can see the ground.
Always have a backup ignition source. A good rhythmic sound. Our new walking instrument.
It's still warm.
Hot chocolate.
That was too close.
We handled it to get together. The diamond. Without it, the feedback loop will shatter the windows.
It won't hold for long. Get the diamond.
Quack, did you fix the lights?
I didn't do it. It was the speaker.
Test. And 1, 2. Almost back.
Close enough. Elder Bear will be so happy with this. Let's leave it right here for him to find in the morning.
Hey! That's Elder Bear's present.
It's sinking! We can't reach it! We need a bridge. We need a bridge. And a line. Fast!
Perfect for a temporary bridge. I have to help. I caused this.
Just a little wet on the base. It's saved.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't resist the smell. You made up for it, Raccoon. You helped us save the gift.
Elder Bear needs a proper porch extension now. A little taste for our hero.
Worth the whole adventure. Thank you. This is the best present and the best bridge ever.
Do you think he liked it?
Look at that! So beautiful!
We got it.
Even an accident can lead to a great fix. Almost full, Hop.
The finest rose oil in the forest. A perfect gift.
Too much beauty. I'll fix that.
Oh no, deploying the stank.
Catch me if you can.
The string is cut.
It's stuck. If I can't break it, I'll stink it.
The oil is mixing with the stink mud. Stop the flow.
Cut the spray, skunk.
Now or never? Agenda.
Sealed and secured. Still a mess, though.
Wait, this mixed oil still has a strong scent. Let's make soap.
The anti-stink combat soap.
You have a cleanup appointment.
Soap? No, anything but soap.
You made the stink. You clean the stink. Lesson time.
Oh, this is just great. Inside and out. Skunk. It's okay to have different talents, Skunk. We all have something special.
A little bit of good smell for you.
Thank you. This is better than being a stinker.
Next time, maybe we can make skunk flower soap.
Lesson learned. Always double-check the knot.
It's a milk blizzard. Almost too pretty to drink.
Nice beard. Quack?
To Hop and Quack.